Okay, so a lot of volume looks like quite at the moment. Good morning, good morning. So let's just move this to here. So yeah, let me just get the watermark on for you guys. Looks like a lot of volume's coming in over here. And I've looked at some charts already in the group. Looks pretty good. 1 second, let's do this here. Alright, wicked. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome, welcome. So, I can see that GJ. Let's just bring the chart a bit closer to me. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. So first of all, let's just check the news. I want to see if there's any news coming out. First and foremost, let me just move the mic closer to me. So it looks like there is no news in the time we're trading. So that's good. Makes it easier for you. So no news. Wicked. So at the moment, it looks like GJ, the daily yesterday did exactly what I wanted it to do, to make a top wick and then to come down. It did that eventually. But if you look at the volume, it was very, very slow. So all day ranging really. So this is why you don't trade on a bank holiday, because there's no point. Okay. So here we have, oh, we got another subscriber already. Thank you very much, Pips, for subscribing. Yeah, so looks like the daily time frame over here is pulled up a bit more. It hasn't exceeded the high yet, so still this could be making the top wick. 4 hours starting to come up as well, kind of making some support. So I can kind of see my support is right around this zone. Sorry, already. Which is around about 30 pips away. Okie dokie. Looking at on the lower time frames, let's look at the hourly. Yeah, a bit choppy. We're coming back up to the zones now, which is a bit annoying. So for me, potentially, it is in this range. This is kind of a no trade zone for me, this area. 1 second. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why am I so sneezy in the morning? Sorry guys. So yeah, for me, this is the support line. If we break the support, we're going downtown, and I'm going to be looking to take some sells below that zone. But for potential buys, I'm going to be looking at the resistance to be broken up above 980. I think that would be really, really good. I'm wanting to have some strong candles, and I think if we look at it on the daily time frame, that'll be just about exceeding the high of the previous daily, so that gives a bit more confirmation we're leaving. Yes, we're in the zone over here. We tried to break it yesterday. It took its time, but it was a pain in the ass. Finally did it with quite bad price action. But now it's coming up over here, and yeah, I'm gonna be looking for buys above. Don't really want to be playing it in this zone because I think it's just a bit too rangy. And yeah, beautiful. So I think a closure above will be nice to continue the buys. And that, I mean, the 4 hours pretty good as well, solid candles. But at the moment, you can see this zone here is going to be a bit careful, because what price could do is come back up and then start to get some heavy bearish structure. So yeah, I'm going to be waiting for that. So let's just mark up on here. Let's just mark up. Wicked. Buys above. So yesterday, you know, we kept it simple. We waited for one trade through London, and then we left the chart and we just did a back testing. You can hear someone in Benny. So buys above 987, 152, 987 are going to be pretty nice, and then sells below over here are going to be looking good as well. So not too bad. It is in this range, but I think if we do get a break above and below, we're going to be good, especially with the price action at the moment being a bit crap. I'm not going to be taking any trades in this zone. I'm going to be waiting patiently to get a closure. But it has kind of closed above this minor resistance, you could say. Oh no, it hasn't. Sorry, it hasn't closed above. It nearly did, but it didn't. So yeah, I think potentially you could get into sells below 152, 580, but for me, I'm going to be waiting patiently for the proper lows to be broken, because look here, you could get into sells below that zone. The only issue is that the price action here is bad, so it could be bad again. Max, in your which is better to in my which is better to trade, NY or London? It really depends on the month or the session. It really depends. I think it's a mixed bag of results, to be honest. Just depends on the day, really. Depends on the day. Hi Max, have you ever had a stat of mostly in which session you find setup that you want to have? Yeah, so during London session, we mainly get this this candle set up, or this one. So this is normally London, and then normally NY is either a closure back in the range like this, where it rejects the highs, or where is it? Support forming or resistance forming. So yeah, like these three here, this one, and this one are like NY, and then these two are like London, basically. And then obviously salary plays are in both, really. But yeah, nothing really much on like which one I would pick. Like sometimes it's really good weeks for NY, sometimes it's good for London. All just depends, really. All just depends. These setups mainly on the 15-minute and above, right? Yeah, 15-minute normally. Yeah, boy. 53 people in early today. Damn. Lovely stuff. Yeah, the last 3 streams have been hitting over 1.3 thousand views. That's amazing. Looks like price is pushing off over here. Great. I'm not really too bothered. I'm not going to do it in this zone. I'm going to wait patiently for above over here. Kind of want to be reserved in this zone. Don't want to be getting into any trades a bit too early, especially when I know price action this week is a bit shite. Let me just get rid of the trade we took yesterday, which is a delicious trade. We all ate on that trade. It was pretty good. Right around here. So GJ sell we took. Let's get rid of that. Wicked. And yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for closures above. Should be goody. One second. Right, okay. So yeah, we'll be waiting patiently for this. Let's take a look at some more pairs. I'll do GBP USD. I'll do an FXCM because you guys like FXCM for some reason. Get rid of it. Another bearish closure below. Okay. Let me just mute someone. I think it's it's someone over here. Yeah, it's Benny. Benny's in a loud household. So yeah, yesterday we got a closure below again on GU, so really bearish actually on this pair, which is nice. This is the daily flip. Look at the 4 hour as well. 4 hours bullish, nice. Starting to come up over here, so kind of the same as GJ. Kind of like the higher time frames above the daily and stuff look quite bearish to flip and stuff, and then the 4 hours making some support to continue up over here. For me, I think getting into any buys is probably not the best situation until we probably exceed some of these highs over here. Potentially buys above this zone, because what could happen in this zone over here is resistance to form, and then prices start to continue back down. So something like this. Oh shit, it's in yellow. Oh, why does that mouse do this sometimes? There we go. And then start to continue down. And then this is where you can get the trades to continue, but bearish. Why is our mouse so laggy today? So yeah, I think that'll be better. Morning Max, I'm going to take a break from trading after the FT hit and run. After the funding talent, I'm going to take a break. Did they actually just hit and run? Have they just cancelled it completely? Let's see if I can get an email from them. I didn't get the email, like the one that where it's completely closed. This is the start of a new chapter. That was August. Yeah, I don't know. Hey Max, do you trade under your name or company for tax purposes? Yes. It's under my name at the moment, but I think in the next year I'll be changing it to a company. Yes, changing it to a company, yeah. Yeah, so nothing really much on GU, to be honest. Just making some bullish structure, but the higher time frames, you know, this is just making the daily top wick, so I'm gonna be a bit cautious on buys on these pairs over here. Morning, bro. Does Virtual Magic Keys work on Mac? I bought one today. It's not installing in my MacBook Air. No, it doesn't work on Mac, my boy. It doesn't work. It does not work. Also, guys, today I think we're gonna do a Magic Keys giveaway. Maybe should I do it today? Yeah. No, so the chart one is on next week, and then the this one is just for the comments on my Instagram post. So make sure you comment on my Instagram posts. Okay, so let's just take a look at some charts over here because a lot of people have been putting them in. Let's see what people are thinking. So, started off, Ahmed was looking at gold. I'm going to take a look at gold in a second. Looks like you're looking for buys above 1859. Oh no, sorry, 1863 to continue bullish. Sounds good. I mean, even potentially a buy above 1859. The 4-hour flip could be nice to continue that zone. It's like a 40 pip zone, sorry. Sells below 1855 could be good, yeah. So nice ranges you've put out here. Very, very simple. I like this chart. Very, very nice and simple. I like GJ, where you're looking for. So buys above 820. You also see buys above 987. So maybe you got into some buys over here with this closure. No trading range. Sells below. Beautiful, yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for. Sells below the low will be a lot easier, and then buys above 980 are going to be nice. Beautiful. No trading range. Yeah, looks a bit choppy in GA. I'm not gonna lie. Sells below that zone. Yeah, I think that'd be nice. 32 pip zone as well. While you fill this wick, it should be stops to break even. And buys above as well could be nice. Yeah, wicked. Really, really nice chart work over here. Very, very simple. What is this penny man? Look at the daily candle. We don't have a big overwork. Big 2 above a previous candle. It's a good little setup. Get into the trend, but if you make some support and you have the higher time range with you, it should be goody. So this is what I'm asking people to do in the morning, to do their own charts to see if their zones are correct. You can see every single one who's put them in here is pretty much the same as me. Either getting buys above this 800 level or buys above this level. Okay. H4 support formed, but still bearish overall. Happy to take buys or sells. Beautiful. And then you're looking for sells below 579. Yeah, I said you could take sells below there. And a nice zone to drop down. Just a bit of traffic here, but there's a clean candle there, to be honest. Nice. Do you trade any indexes? No. No. So it looks like GJ is kind of struggling to close above over here and start to continue. So people who got in on the flip, so do you see? Yeah, this candle closed and got in the flip. I potentially would have had my stop loss to break even over here, and this would have been a break even trade, I think. Because price came up about 6-7 pips, and then just couldn't continue and flipped. I'd probably take that as a break even trade because it didn't actually close above the resistance. You see here, didn't close above, so had to be careful. So yeah, make sure and like and subscribe, guys, if you are new here. We're here every single weekday. Come and see and show me how you found the channel. We're coming towards the open in 20 minutes time, and yeah, beautiful.
Would you consider a seller play on that, Max, if it closes like that and continues up, or is it you just going to wait for the buys above 15298?
I think I'm going to wait for the buys above 15298. Yeah, I think it's really respecting this resistance here, and for me, it's still bearish. Like I can still see it's bearish, so I think to get that extra confirmation, I'm gonna wait until breaking above 980. I think, yeah.
No problem. Yeah, and sorry, I didn't realize my mic was unmuted before. I was
Don't
just
worry
sort of
about that,
chilling.
don't worry.
Everyone was happening in the background.
Don't worry, man. Yeah, I think it'll be just a bit nice. Like for me here, this could just easily just have a pullback for then the drop down. Like I just don't think. I think if we then come up over here, get a little wick forming, and then like a power up, then yeah, that's fair enough. Nice zones to fill. But I think here could be just a pullback to then drive down. So be a bit cautious. And that for people who like but what people be like, oh well look at the daily's bullish and stuff. Yeah, but look at the candles behind it. Sorry, look, bearish the whole way. It's had a closure below, made a top wick, driving down. Is this just making the top wick to drive down? Possibly. So in that case, I have to wait for the potential change where we start maybe exceeding the highs of previous daily wicks, etc. To be honest though, I'm looking a bit at maybe getting into sells a bit higher, like here, if potentially I get a nice candle closure, but we'll see. Because then that'll be the daily flipping in bearish would be nice. Max, some advice on your screen layout. Take out chat, widen the charts. You're doing a great job. Yeah, a lot of people do that. I think it's because a lot of people like are looking at my chart on the phone or something. It's quite small, but. Yeah. I'll take a look at that later. Let's take a look at gold then. Let's take a look at gold. So let's get rid of all of it. Let's start again. Look at that. Very, very strong candles again. There's some nice buys actually for London yesterday, which is pretty good. I'm new in trading, doing it from 2 months, and I had a thousand account, and I lost my full account. Then I joined your channel, and now I'm just watching and learning. Please suggest me. Should I put more money in or wait? Wait. I think you should wait and learn the basics. I don't think there's no point rushing in. Just chill. You've just lost a lot of money, so just chill about it. Make sure to use the demo like to advantage. You're not ready yet, so or yeah, it's hard though because like the demo, there's no emotions attached to it, so it's very, very hard. I don't think you should put a load of money in it. Maybe like 100 quid, and then trade with it with a 0.01 lot. It's very, very hard. It's a challenging one because the demo can be helpful for like your strategy and like seeing if you can close profits early, but the demo doesn't show you how to manage risk really because you don't care because it's not real. Yeah. Hello, what's your view on range 1 and 2 breakouts? Great, sounds beautiful. They work very, very well, and the controller effects uses it quite a lot. Nice. I'm pretty sure I do the same thing, but I just don't even tell it. Like I don't even say this is range 2. I just know it's range 2. Yeah. So for me, sells below 1844 is all I'm looking at on a gold, I think. Because this is a clear support. I think if we get a break below, it could be good to continue down. Sells below 1844. I think that'll be pretty solid. Pretty solid. 90 people ready for the London Open in 15 minutes time. Sheesh. 24 people in here. Nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. So yeah, I mean potentially buys above the highs over here. So nose so itchy, man. 1865 I think is going to be a nice zone to break. If we're breaking the highs, we're exceeding these wicks, continuing and filling the wick up from the 3rd day ago. That's a nice little 40 pip move, 50 pip move, which is here. So that'll be the zone I want to kind of take a little trade in for sure. Yeah, that trade yesterday, where was it? Here. Very, very nice and clean all the way up to the tops. It moved very, very quickly. Taking some profit off at 1857 was nice, and then the rest at 1861. And then it seemed to range the whole day, so yeah. Wow, not many questions today, guys. Blow your nose, bro. Bro, I try. Let's take a look at GBP AUD as well. So, looking at it over here, the daily. Let me just move this. So it looks pretty chalked. I'm not gonna lie. GA's looked like ass all week, to be honest. So the daily over here is there, nice. Gold idea, is it correct? I'll take a look in a second, my man. 1 second. And then the 4 hour is also here as well. So look, price is very close to 4 hour and daily. It's not really giving me much room to kind of look. Looking at it on the hourly time frame over here, you can start to see that there's not much going on. Very rangy. I mean, potentially closures below this zone. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Yeah, so potentially sells below, but for me, look at it. The price action this week has been shit. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hour looks alright to continue down, to be honest. Look at the daily. Daily's contradicting the bullish one yesterday, so yeah, GA's not the best. Got my charts. So we got a chart in Telegram. Got my support at 1848. Not sure if it should be lower at 1844 daily break. Yeah, I think 1844 is a perfect time. Thank you, Karen, for subscribing. I'll take a look at this chart then. Someone's echoing, and I can hear myself. I don't know who it is. I'll take a look over here. So yeah, let's take a look at that chart. Right. Where is it? Sorry, in the chart. There we go. So is it correct? Let's take a look. Okay, so you're looking for closures below 1856 to take some sells. There's a 25 pip zone. I can kind of see that, and then potentially no buys. You can't really see buys anywhere, but you're looking for sells below 1856. My only issue is that we're all so bullish. We are so bullish, and then the issue I have with that, I think this is Chris over here. Yeah, it is that this could be just making some support. 1856 for me is not low enough. I think if we break below 18, where is it? Where did I put it? They say over here. Where did I put it? 1844. I think that's the only way I can look for sales, because look, the 4 hour, the last one closed bullish. So if you're selling here, hasn't even exceeded the low of the previous 4 hour yet. The daily looks like it's just making the low to continue. I just think, for me, it's going to be very bullish, and I don't think sells are going to be valid. I mean, potentially you could take a sell below 1856. You could. Doesn't mean it won't work. It's just, I think, for me, I want to kind of have a safer trades, and I think 1844 would be a lot better for sells. I think it'll be a lot easier for sure. So yeah. Morning chat, morning. Morning everyone in YouTube. 100 people here ready for London Open. Let's see what we're looking at for GJ. GJ is rejecting them highs over here. Rejecting the highs. Looking at it in the 15. Yeah, I was like, hell no, I ain't going up again. So yeah, it was I mean, potentially sells below this zone over here in 570. So I'll take a look at that. And then more sells below 380. So looking pretty good. Can you please tell us why you mark daily and 4 hour flip on your chart? For what exactly? The reason why I do it is because I can see the higher time frames and what they're doing when I'm in a lower time frame. For example, if this candle comes down right now, oh shit, if this candle comes right down to this price right here, I'll know that the 4 hour is flipping bearish. Yes. So it means that I can see the higher time frames starting to come to my side, because I always like the higher time frames with me. So if I'm looking for sells and I get sells below here, I know the 4 hours with me, and it will be flipping into the daily and flipping the daily bearish. So this is why I like it. This is why I like it. Hourly rejecting, yes, come on, flipping the 4 hour now. Can you see? So yeah, I like having the lines on. So now look, we'll flip the 4 hour. See? So showing rejections, so I can start to look for sells potentially soon, which is looking good. So we really respected this zone, so be careful. See, it didn't really close above, and not a strong candle closing above. Had to be careful. So potentially sells below 580. You're gonna be good. So let me just do this over here. The reason why I'm actually, actually alright for the 570 getting into trades, because this range down was towards the end of the day, and there's no volume because London was closed and NY was closed. So I think with a bit of volume, we should fill this up very, very nice. Nice. So, wow, I don't know what's happened this week, but this week we have blown up like holy shit. Oh, YouTube over here is yeah. There's Dr. Dollars. And yeah, we 1,400 views, 1,400 views, 1k views, 1k views. Sheesh. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's take a look at GBP AUD as well. Flipping the daily. Yeah, for me, it's just very, very rangy. And GU, let me just put the watermarks for you guys so you can see them again. Here we go. And yeah, GBPUSD, nothing much I can really see, to be honest. So GJ is the only kind of thing I can start to see. I mean, potentially gold, but I'm not going to be taking themselves. I might watch someone else, but yeah. Jason goes, Dr. Dollar, such a gambler. Ooh. I thought you did some good trades. What is your opinion on using a prop firm versus your own personal funds? Your own personal funds is better than any prop firm. Facts. But if you can do the prop firm, then great. Curate Warrior, nice. For thanks for subscribing. I think a funded account, like there's literally 1% to like 1 to 5% chance you're gonna make it there. So very, very low probability. So if you can do it, then fair enough. If you can't, then yeah. Jason, you made me laugh. No. So this is really, really nice now. Starting to look good. I like how it's flipped the 4 hour. We're looking Gucci. If you guys have enjoyed this week, and we're all chilling here, 122 people here. Damn! Anyone want to go halves in a simulation account? Yeah, we did a simulation session with the gang yesterday, and it was really, really good. I got a lot of 1 second over here. Where's the fucking thing? Oh, there. I went through it quite a lot, and we actually talked really, really nicely about where should price be, where should support be, where should we target our zones. Really, really solid. And we didn't take any losers, so that was mad. Yeah, ended up like 5% profit.
Let's just see, it's continuing nice. So for me, I'm still waiting for a closure, getting a closure in 6 minutes time on the 15 minute, which is here.
There you go. So closures, waiting for closures, guys. So if you guys do want to join the mentorship for the weekend, the bot has already put it in, so you can go through all of the webinars. Another webinar is coming out today, and then you can be ready for next week to come to NY with us. So yeah, it'll be pretty good. So just waiting patiently. Oh shit, it's actually 5 minutes towards open now. Shee. Yeah, I'm thinking about selling below 152,580. Look, 4 hour looks like it's forming resistance if you test the lows. Very nice setup on the 4 hour. Yes, and yes. Hourly closing now. I really want the hourly to close below the zone, but if it doesn't, then I may have to wait for another 15 potentially. We will have to see. We will have to see. 40 likes, guys, just before the open. Nice. Coming down. Beautiful. So hopefully we can start to get some nice trades in here. Breaking these lows, filling up. We've got a nice clean wick to the downside. Let's take a look for some taking profit areas. Let's take a look at the hourly. So if we break behind the low, this low, we're coming towards this support. So I'm going to draw this zone like right around here. Doesn't have to be accurate, just has to be where basically supporters came. And you can see we came up here, made support this zone, made resistance in this zone, etc. If we break below this low, we're coming towards like these kind of areas over here. Wicked. Very, very simple and very, very easy. 120 people in here for London Open on a Friday. Wonderful. Buy GBP JPY. Maybe not buy GBP JPY. I think if you want to lose some money, potentially buy GJ. Potentially. Because look, the 4 hours against you, the hourly's against you, 30 minutes against you, the 50 minutes against you. So you only have the daily. That's still bullish over here. I entered before US close. US close, like here. You should definitely have taken some profits. Certain areas. It's Friday, then it's Saturday, and Sunday. What? It's Friday, then it's Saturday, Sunday. What? Saturday. GJ is bullish monthly. Next week might be bullish. Well, we don't know, you know. Is it bullish monthly? It's not bullish monthly. GJ, I repeat, is not bullish monthly. It is bearish. Very, very bearish. Rejected the highs. Rejected the highs. USD will pull back. Okay, nice. Well, bet all your money that it'll pull back. Show me some charts and I'll take a look at them. Remember, put some charts as well in the charts for the stream. Wow, it looks like we've got getting a lot over here. Nice. So, Brian over here, doing very, very well. Looking for closures. Buys looking juicy as hell. Nice closure above 153 would be ideal. Nice meaty zone to fill. Yeah, me agree. Me gusta will be nice. I think that'll be good. To fill, very, very nice. The lows as well. You're not looking for sells today? Potentially not. Let's take a look at Jason's over here, doing very well. You're looking for buys above the zone as well. Garbage, stay away, be patient. Potential buys above. Okay. So did you take these buys over here? Because they would hit a break even. Potential sells below 580 is what we're looking for, and then clean sells will be below 400. Nice. Very, very simple, easy chart work, guys. Let's look at Jordan. He's looking for gold. He's actually wanting to get in at 1855. Entry below support after a 30-minute close. Have you entered? Wait. Possible gold entries. No, I think you're meaning like a closure now. So like a candle that looks like this potentially. Like that. Yeah, makes sense. That makes sense. So potentially, I mean, for me, I don't really like getting in at 1855. I still think it's too high for it. Looks like a lot of people looking for 1855 though, so potentially looking good. And then GJ as well. Everyone's looking at GJ. Nice zones marked up. Beautiful. Congrats, guys. Very, very easy. I don't see one shot that's a bit off. They all look pretty good. 132 people in for London Open. Damn, son. 50 likes, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream or subscribed, make sure to do so. We're here every single weekday. So yeah, nothing much for me yet. This candle could do a lot of things, okay? This candle could bring a lot of volume to the upside and start to push like this. Oh shit. Like this. And then I'll look for buys above. Or it could continue down and get a closure potentially in 15 minutes either here. Or if it runs down too much, then here. Then wait for the top wick like we did yesterday, which is here. And then boom! You get me. So don't you worry about that. We've got a lot of time. Don't be trying to get in early here. This could be wicking up. This could be wicking down. I see that happen a lot on GJ in London session. So hourly close bearish, rejecting the highs. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Another subscriber here. Thank you, Padam, for subscribing. Amazing, guys. So yeah, I'm going to be waiting for the closure below. And on gold, let's see if it's pushing down. Yeah, it's starting to push down. The hourly did close bearish, to be honest. So let's look at the 4 hour. It's just a 4-hour for me. But to be fair, if you're getting in at 18.55, that is exceeding the low of the previous 4 hours. That's pretty good. My only issue is the daily time frame. It's the only thing that's kind of put me back. Gold looks so sexy for sell state, but it's so bullish in the daily. Sells don't make sense. Yeah, exactly. Oh, looks like gold's pulling up over here. So yeah, this range here, you should identify as a no trade range. No trade range. For 2 reasons. Sorry, no trade zone. There's a lot of traffic to here, a lot of traffic here, and also the wicks are a bit kind of spontaneous. Not much kind of price action that's going on in here. Not a nice price action, so just wait patiently for the breaks above. And the breaks below should be goody, should be good. As I said, no news. The news later on. The news at 3 o'clock, so we've got a nice, easy day actually. This is mad because normally Fridays are really, really busy for news, so very, very easy to take some trades. Hitting 150 viewers as well. So 150 viewers in YouTube. We got 37 in the Zoom over here. So in the Zoom, they've done very, very well this week. Very, very proud of them. Some people have passed their challenges. We've posted a lot of good stuff this week. Beautiful. Managing risks, all that good. Today's recaps of trades, all that good stuff. But yeah, price action hasn't been the best this week, but that's fine, you know. I'm positive for the week now, even though it's been such a chalked week. And then bear in mind, last week I was 8%, week before was 15, and week before was 10. So when it's a bad week, you can really, really, really manage your trades. And I'm still positive for this week, even though that, you know, price action's been very, very shit. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was very, very bad, and I'm still coming in on the blue on top. So yeah.
All right.
So yeah, 26 time, or 11 minutes time to get the closure below. We'll see if we can get it. I'll start right out of signal just in case. I'll be ready to then enter. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look. If you can get a form of support around about 18.55, then it'll be a good sign to take buys, and our runners can give us some amazing gains aligning with our daily buys. Yeah, very, very true. I think if you start to come to this zone and make some nice supports, we could potentially continue for sure. Yeah, 18.59 would be nice because it'd be flipping the 4 hour. Yeah, but buys above this zone could potentially be an option. Because it'll be flipping the 4 hour whilst flipping the daily, basically. It'll be quite a nice zone to take a trade in. For sure. GJ 30-minute closed above previous 30. Closed above? Well, it didn't, did it? What are you guys getting these? What charts are you guys looking at? Yeah, I think that'll be quite nice, man. It closed above 30-minute resistance. Did it? There's 30-minute resistance right here. Doesn't really look to me like it closed above. Doesn't look. A closure above would look something like this. Oh shit! Has anyone got the new Forza game? I really want to get it, but I need kind of. My dad's got a wheel for me, but yeah, I want to play it. That's a closure. Strong closure above resistance, okay? GJ gang, let's bank. GJ, give me them pays, my boy. I need a wheel, but I'll get addicted. Do you play it on controller or PC? Got that G29 Logitech. Nice. Yeah, my dad just got one, and like, oh my god, like I was playing just a set of Corsa, and like, damn, if you put that shit on like the hardest strength, my god, you could break your hands if you keep your fingers on it. I was like, damn, son. It's mad. GJ killers already. Yes, I'm ready to take some GJ killers. Wow, there's a lot of people play the game. Damn. Gee, the Baptist finally subscribed to me. What the fuck? You guys have been here for ages. Is your daily flip correct? No, it is not. I think I accidentally moved it. It's even better, to be honest, when we come down here. BAM! With the 10 pips, we'd be flipping the daily. Tasty. I have a full racing sim for iRacing, but Horizon is more fun to chill and play on controller. Yeah. Can I get a controller on my PC? Oh, I can, can't I? Oh, that's what I might do. Can I just get an Xbox controller? That's what I might do. Another subscriber here. Sheesh! Thank you, DeWalt, for subscribing. I could just, yeah, I got an Xbox Elite 2 for my PC. Ah, good, okay. So I could just get an Xbox controller. Like the Jesco. Ooh, the Jesco, nice. I like a bit of Koenigsegg over here. Have you got any old PS4? Oh, do they work as well? Oh, wicked. I've got loads of PS4s. Yeah. Alright, wicked. I've got like 7 PS4 controllers. What, you just plug it in, or do you have to buy, like download drivers and shit? DS4 app. Ah, wicked. Yeah, because I want to see the graphics on it. Can you run it like, because I think on this monitor it looks so sick. Like 5 level 6. 387. And if you break with these lows, I said we got a nice target at 160. Nice. So looking pretty good. You can Bluetooth over to PC, yeah, the DS4 app. Nice, I'll take a look at that for sure. How much is it then? Because I always go on G2A, but how much is it on Steam? How much is just like the... Is it even on Steam? I think Max is taking Luke Trade's London subscribers. Oh, it's only 50 quid. Let's see on G2A. By the way, if you do play on PC, I highly recommend going on G2A and getting a pass, because holy shit, it saves you so much money. Let's take a look over here. Come on. Forza Horizon 5. I don't even want... Oh, yeah, that'll work. Xbox Live Key. 40 quid. Already? That's sick. Yeah, I'm going to get that. The Xbox, so I have to just download the Xbox Windows 10. Wicked. 42 quid. Fucking... Bob's your uncle. Forza Horizon 5 is free on Xbox Game Pass. Nice. Yeah, I don't even have Xbox though. Looks good. Yeah, I've seen some people play on it. Looks good graphics and stuff. So yeah, GU kind of relaxing off over here. GA is potentially coming below, but I'm gonna leave GA. I've traded GA twice this week and lost both times, so I'm gonna stick to GJ this week. Game Pass is on PC too. Ah, wait, how much is the Game Pass? Like, is it just monthly? Join now to get your first 3 months for £1. What? Oh, it's on this game. That's sick. Oh, I could just buy that then. And then just play it for like a month. That's actually a good idea. But if I cancel it, wait, subscription automatically unless cancelled through your... Oh, you can actually do this and then you just cancel it. Fucking hell, that's sick. Okay, well I'll do that then for sure. That's pretty cool. And then if I stop the Xbox Live Pass, will it still save my Horizon game? And if I bought the game, would all my stuff still be saved? That's how it works. Assuming it is. So someone says, where is it? What's your bias in gold and why? My bias is still bullish because the daily is still very, very. Look at this. Is it just making the low wick like it did the day before, like it did the day before, like it did the day before, like it did the day before? Yeah, probably. So I'm not really too confident with sells on gold. Yes, just can't play it. Oh, wicked. I'll give you my PS Plus as an exchange for your mentorship. I've already got loads of PlayStation stuff. Come on, boy. So we've still got a lot of time. Still waiting for a closure in potentially 18 minutes time. I don't think this 15 minutes is going to do it, so I'm potentially going to wait for the 30 minute. And yeah, hopefully we can get the trade. Please tell me what's wrong with this trade. Okay, you send me a chart. Don't send me the full address. Send me the link. Just the last bit. Or if not, just put it to the Discord. By the way, congrats to everyone over here. We've hit 70 people in Telegram. Not 70, sorry, 80. 80 subscribers. Sheesh. The squad eating, the squad learning. So beautiful. So over 43 videos. 43. We've got all of our setups and the chats. Learning, eating well. I'm liking the community. There's no twats here being nasty to each other. We're helping each other every single day. I'm loving it. Very, very nice. Someone's birthday a couple of days ago as well. That was yesterday. Yeah, it's pretty fun. Please tell me what was wrong with this trade. It's not here, trading ID. I can't see it. Look. Do what this guy did below you. You send the little link here. Your thing doesn't come up on it. What the thoughts on this trade? Let's take a look at this trade over here then. Let's take a look. How long have you been doing live streams? I started like properly like August, I think. Like the end of August, I think it was. Okay, wow, lots going on over here. You looking for a buy? Oh, did you take the trade? Did you take this trade? My issue I have is that, look, did you make some money here? Did you cash them out? Because you're going towards resistance levels. Resistance here. So for me, that should have either been a taken profit. If you're on the hourly, you should have taken some profit over here because you were up over, 25 pips. If that hit your stop loss, then unfortunately got in early. Wait, did it hit your stop loss? But look, you got all this gain, or did before it just hit you out? I'm confused with where you got in. You show me where you got in. Yeah, so yeah, we've been doing the streams for a while now, not too long though, and I think everyone's loving them. To be fair, we doing pretty well with them. Let's see who's streaming today. Let's see who's streaming today. So 148. Oh, I'm nearly above him. Nearly above Luke Trades London. I think I know Luke. Is Luke the same one, the guy as what I saw yesterday?
Let's see what happens.
Oh, yeah. You NZD, nice. 32 likes, I've got 69. Wow, I think everyone likes my streams over here. Is that it? Is that it for streams? Oh no, here. So scalping 84 watching. I think that's the ones where they don't talk. But really, there actually isn't that many. So FOREX live stream London. There's mine. There's Dr. Dollar and there's Luke's. Is that it? Fucking hell, that's good. That's good. It's not saturated. Whereas London live stream, there's loads. You can filter it by live. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, man, not many, bro. I'm nearly like the biggest one. The biggest one just below his. Soon to overtake. Wow, that's pretty good then. Nice. Yeah, I think this channel for some reason has just been growing a lot. I think people just like because I'm a bit fun. I'm not too boring. I think some people's live streams are potentially a bit boring, especially when we're in a trade. We're like, "Come on, GJ, come on!" London is slow as fuck. Nah, this week it's been slow, but most weeks it's not. Any plans on stopping the stream? Really enjoy them and learn a good bit. I'll never stop the streams. I think people could tell you are genuine. Yeah, that's true. That is true. I think people can relate. GG on the move, Max. Watch it. Yeah, looking good. Waiting for the 30 minutes closure in 12 months time. And then get the week up. And then the drive down, boy. That's what I'm going to be wanting. I told you you're taking his subscribers. He is slow. Max, I don't know why people ever think of buy GJ and sell gold. The rule is following the big trend. You can turn on the 4-hour chart, look to the left, and you will see what the trend is. Yeah, pretty much. It's not hard, is it? Max, it's well deserved. You're active and always spitting knowledge, always in time, every day, consistency. Yeah, to be fair, I haven't missed any really. I haven't missed it. I know, like a streamer. I mean, he's never here. He never does any. Do you know what I don't get though? Right, this Stephanus kid. He got a load of like kind of. He got a load of like kind of. Let's go Stephanus. Let me just look over here. He got a load of kind of like publicity from Raja, and like no one looks at his shit anymore. And he's bloody gorgeous, man. Yeah, no one watches his stuff. Look, 22 views. So he must be. I think he must. That's mad. Like 22 views. And he's still doing it. It looks like he's got a lot of people in Zoom though, to be fair, but. Like even 22 views, like even that like other guy gets more than that, so that's pretty mad. Luke is not consistent with his live streams and he's often way too late to stream. This is why I moved here. Ah, yeah, I'm not late. I don't really. I think there's no point in. If sometimes I'm a bit late if something goes wrong, but that was only happened like twice or something. Been here since you had 20 views. Nice to see you grow. Yeah, you have actually, bro. I need to give you a wrench over here. You've been here a while. There we go. You're our moderator now. You remind me of a Premier League player, Callum Chambers. Callum Chambers. Ah, what, looks wise or he's ginger? Wait, has he got a ginger beard? I'm colorblind as fuck. One sec. Ah, he's a sexy looking man. I'll take that. Gold is moving down. Let's take a look. Ooh, nice. I mean, a closure in 9 minutes time to potentially continue down bearish. You wait for the top wick, which will then reject, and then a flip, potentially, to be honest. Potentially. Potentially. Poor guy plays to Arsenal. Arsenal doing pretty well, to be fair. Mike was getting absolutely rinsed for that, and then like they just pulled it away, and they're doing pretty well. Max, I got a tiny entry from the rejection of Asian high, and now looking to potentially add my full risk once we break 600. Nice. Take a look at that over here. Still 9 minutes left. I'm still waiting for the closure below. Looking pretty good though. 141 people in on a Friday. I'm sorry about this week, guys. I think this has been the biggest week for me, as in like growing for people. But for the chart, it's been very, very slow. So make sure to come back next week. We'll get some good trades. Daily has been bearish, rejection all week through the tough area. 30-minute break above, failed to continue. 50-minute break below, back in the range. First TP1. Ah, she got 2 trades here. Nice. TP down to the lows. Yeah, rejecting, that's pretty good. So your stop was like around about 12 pips. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Beautiful. I'm new to the channel. What's your name, bro? My name's Max Shiva. Nice to meet you. Hello from Japan. Wow, Japan. That's sick. What time is it in Japan right now? I love to go to Japan. Use Brave and you'll never get. Use Brave and you'll never get ads. I missed similar setups yesterday, so took this one today. I also think because the way I take the trades, like you guys can all get in. I can see Raja at the moment. Raja seems to push it out from saying, right, I'm entering here now, my stop loss. He kind of just goes, like if this candle's coming down, he'd be like, I'm in this trade now. It's like, well, you didn't tell anyone anything. Like, it shows that he's kind of like cautious for telling, like for example me, I'm like, right guys, sell stops here, I'm gonna enter, and everyone can enter. A lot of people, I mean, Monty did it as well, where like he'll be moving, he goes, oh, I'm in this trade now. It's like, well, you didn't tell anyone. He goes, well, if you listened, this, well, yeah, but like if you're really confident that this is gonna be a good trade, why don't you tell everyone? Like all my trades are like, right, I'm gonna sell stop here, I'm entering, and then I take the loss literally as it is. Like, I think that's how it should be. People say, nah, Luke is a noob, that's it. Even though I'm a fucking noob, I'm confident that I can trade better than him. Oh, God. Damn, Daniel. He's got 50,000 fucking subscribers as well. Is that just because Raja like shouted him out or something? Does anyone think Monty's an actual good trader? I think his zones are good and stuff. I think he's good. I speak to him every so often. Don't speak to him as much anymore because he isn't on Instagram anymore. Really, he doesn't post much. He just posts about his fucking group all the time. Someone know how to move vertical MetaTrader 5. Yeah, you do your fixed thing. We did it yesterday on the thing. Could someone explain it to him in the Zoom? Is it the same how we did it on for simulation yesterday? Yeah, right click properties, scale fix. There you go. Sashin's on the ball. Holy shit. He's the pits. The only thing that I didn't really get with Monty was that he never increased his lot sizes. He always kept it on 1 lot. I'm like, if you were confident enough, why aren't you putting your lot sizes up as you grow? I just don't get that. That's what I didn't really get. Luke got lucky when Todd and Monty stopped streaming, and he was the only London streamer for a while. Ah. So Todd and Monty both stopped. Wow. I used to be with this community. Ah, how was it? Looks like quite a good community. I'd say there's reason for both. The way he does it makes people focus on their own learning, whereas you make people money and they explain everything behind. Yeah. But then what is the person actually giving? Like, I see a lot of people like it's like, oh, I'm helping you, like find your own strategy and shit. And it's like, well, yeah, but like, I could just sit here and go, right, do you want to do swing? Do you want to do that? Like, I don't know. I think you should be teaching them what you know. They both do private sessions, yeah. Yeah, well, I do private session. I just do private NY. I don't know why they didn't do that. Like, I think I hit the nail on the head here. A lot of people who do a mentorship, they literally have signals for 1 session. I do a load of content. I do 10 live streams a week. So I was like, why has no one done that yet? And they go, oh, well, 2 live streams is too hard a day for me. I'm like, all right, fair enough. Sometimes it's like a lot of work, but it's fine. Like, I'd rather be doing this than sitting in a fucking office getting told off that I'm not doing my work quick enough. Do you swing trade? My runners swing trade. So for example, If we take a trade over here very, very soon at these lows, I'll tell you what how my swing trades work. So imagine if you get into a sell over here to continue down. I'll take a lot of my position off over here, and then I'll let a runner go in, which is a risk-free trade, to continue down, and that'll be my swing trade. So a swing trade for me is useless unless it's a break-even, because the likelihood of it to continue is very, very low. You're really transparent. We appreciate that. Nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, you guys like me a lot. Not gonna lie, I don't really get many haters. I think I am. Yeah. To be honest, I learned quite a lot from Monty, especially following a higher time frame trend. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I used a lot with him in the lines and stuff. He taught me how to read market structure though. What about controller? He is very careful with his entry and has larger stop losses now. Yeah. Recently he's had really big stop losses for some reason. I think he's losing a bit of confidence in the later months, maybe, because he said he's reducing his lot of sizes for the later months. That's fine. That's just him acknowledging that the later months are probably not as good as the start months. That's why. Like the stream, let's get 100% like ratio. Yeah. How often do you use your runners work out? I always find that when I let them run, they always come back on me, and I'd rather close all. Yeah, that's completely to you, John. I think so. For example, I think if we get into trades here, like 390, I'll actually leave a lot more running on than if I get into trades here, because this is the next support and this is the next support that'll hit. So we'll get to 10 pips, I'll take off potentially 70%. Then I'll take 50% of my runner off, probably right at this low over here, which is around about 20 pips, and then I'll leave the rest running. It really depends on how big the zone you're breaking into is. So if you've got a nice clean zone, so for example, if we break above here, we've got such a big zone to come into, I'll probably run quite a lot, like potentially like I'll run like 40%. It really does depend on the setup, to be honest. But that's just from your own kind of practice. So the good thing is that a runner is a break-even trade. You're not losing anything from it. It's just you can test and see, you know, what's actually really what's really going to help you. So for me, I found it depends on how big the zones are you're breaking into. Imagine doing a private session with Uncle Ted. I'd pay good money for that. Yes, sir. So coming down over here now. Nice. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Minute and 36 seconds time. Go on, give me a bit more of a pushy pussy. So the hourly has still 30 minutes left. Still got a lot of time, but I'm cautious on this zone over here. I'm cautious because it was support before. A lot of wicks to it. So kind of want the closure. Do, do, do. 89 likes, amazing guys. How did you learn to trade? What did you think is key to consistency? The key to consistency is focusing on 1 or 2 pairs, and that's it. Focusing on 1 to 2 sessions a day where the highest volume is. Focusing on a certain amount of setups, and yeah, that's all it is. And focusing on managing risk. That's all it is. Very, very simple. I'm telling you, the trades that we take and stuff are very simple. I learned from Roger and Ted, basically. Did Ted really charge 50,000? I don't know. Maybe it's better to wait for the hourly close. Yeah, potentially. Or maybe another 15. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, go on. The last 20 seconds. Push down, you pussy. Come on. 2 more pips. Ah, that's a shame. Yeah, so I'm not be taking any risks, especially with the price action this week. I'm going to be chilling. So if you got into trades right at this London Open, you would have just got 10 pips. Nice. Just a paper trade in gold. Let's take a look over here. Nice. This is on the 15. Oh, the 15 closed like that. That's pretty good, actually. Just as you said in the last backtest session, when the candle before has done very good retest with a wick, then the next candle doesn't need that much wick. Yes! Beautiful! Someone's listening to me. Nice. I like that. So, yeah, the wick before has a really big wick, so therefore it's probably already done the tapping of the wick, and the next one will drive. Nice. Beautiful. London Open volume, aggressive entry. Beautiful. That worked really nicely. Really good. Yeah, so I explain to people that, you know how I say wait for the top wick? Sometimes I don't have to wait for that much of a big top wick because of a candle like this. So let's take a look over here. This candle's already done the top wick, so when we come down over here, I'm happily taking a trade when we exceed the low, really, as long as you have a little nipple, because of the fact that this is already pulled up into the zone. Looking good. So that pulled down nicely over here. Coming down to little minor resistance right around here. Looking pretty good. Solid. Solid. So people all looking for themselves today will obviously work pretty well. Do you guys know Inner Circle Trader? Nope. Isn't that a Head and Shoulders? Wouldn't that mean it's going to fly? What? This? Head and Shoulders? No. It's an inverted Head and Shoulders. Is it? I don't know. Fuck knows. I've been watching Raja for a year now, but he has stopped really teaching how he trades. Yeah, he did. He stopped. But the good thing is that all of his stuff is on his YouTube, so go and watch his old content. This looks quite aggressive now. Looks like a lot of volumes coming in, but very curious area. I'm waiting for a closure in this zone. There's a nice zone to fill up anyway, so even if we do close like in this zone like here, I still think there's enough room to get these cells below. So not really too asked how far it pushes down. Nah. If we stop moving, I'm eyeing a potential impulse entry in the break of the 4-hour low. Stops at current candle high. Yeah, sounds good. Sometimes I get a lot of ideas. Same with you. Sometimes it looks like I don't even know how to find right zones. What to do to be consistent knowing right zones? What do you mean? So like drawing your support and resistance? Is that what you're struggling on? Is that what you mean? So like your zone, so like this is resistance. Why did I draw the resistance here and not just here or here or here? Yeah, so luckily for you, my man, the webinar today is about that. Sometimes I do draw resistance on the 30-minute. Okay. And then 1 hour then I go. Okay. Well the webinar that's coming out today is going to be talking about that. I basically go through kind of the simplicity of a technical analysis where I basically draw resistance. But I don't just draw it, I show you why I've drawn it here. You know, why don't I put it on the wick here? Why don't I put it on the other wick? Why don't I put it on the high? I show you basically all that and what time frames to put it on. So yeah, don't worry. I go explain through that today and you can watch it for the weekend. Don't you worry about it. So coming down to the zone where we're looking nice. If this runs off over here, then looking good though. 15-minute coming. I mean, potentially impulses could happen, but for me, I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be waiting, boys and girls. 11 minutes time. It could potentially start running without me, but that's fine. Not really too bothered. I can't really do much about that. And yeah. Do you use the fib? I'm seeing a potential reversal for a long position. Nope, I don't use fibs. And I think you're saying you're seeing potential is what I'm just saying as I see support here. So that's exactly what you'll be doing. It's just I don't need that fib to kind of tell me that. I just know it myself. And if we close below, then we should be continuing down. And if we get a nice top wick for the next candle over here, like this one, and then a nice top wick, and then the drawdown, then this is going to be a very easy trade. And I'll manage risk with the high here, and then exceeding the high over here as well. So there we go, fake out on gold. Is that what happened? There we go. So this is what I'm saying. If you're in gold, when you know the higher time frames looks like this, you need to be careful. You can take the trade, you know, nice push, but you need to be not being greedy, and you should have taken your profits over here where support was, which is right here. Okay, so be careful with that. I've always said, especially with gold, when the daily's that bullish and making low wick, hasn't exceeded the lows yet, it's probably going to be making a support very soon. Check my gold chart to the T. Where was it? Wait, are you sending it? Oh, Telegram, yeah. This area can be the daily bottom wick. Also, this range can be classed as a fake out area. Nice. We need a strong closure and higher time frame confirmations for sells. Beautiful session, exactly. So look, bias equals buys. Wait. Sells risky and only below 1848. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Is there a potential seller replay on GU? Let's take a look. Potentially making some support to continue over here, yeah. Potentially. Now gold buys are looking great. Yeah, I'll be looking for gold buys above 1859 potentially, I think. I think. If it's going to be a fake out, yeah. GA coming back up over here in gold. GA still holding this zone. I mean, potentially looking like it's making some support over here. If you get a closure in 8 minutes time, could be nice. To then potentially ride it up and flip the hourly. Oof. If you flip this hourly, this could be pretty decent. Where would your stop be if you got in on the hourly? So if you got in on the flip, a 10 pip stop for a 20 pip gain. Ooh, Just close above this little support over here. So people who trade GU, remember guys, I don't trade GU, but I mean that looks like a pretty good trade. 2 to 1. Tell me if this works over here. Gold up. Yes, gold going up. Nice. Needs to close back up, but yeah. As long as it holds and doesn't flip the 30, lol. Yeah, this flips the 30 in 22 minutes time. Breaking these lows could continue down. That could be a nice trade, to be honest. But still, looks like GJ is coming up. No, please, for the love of God, get out of this range. Oh my God. But you can see I'm not pissed off really. I'm just annoyed. Like, you know, I don't want to take any trades in this zone over here because it's rangy, and I don't want to take rangy trades. I want to take nice trades that are going to give me a nice win rate. And this week was not that. It was just a very, very slow week. I'm still up for the week though, so very, very good. So as I said, be careful with the impulses here. Wait for the closures, man, because it's going to save your ass. Coming towards the 4-hour flip again. Flipping the 4-hour again. So that's a bit of a shame on GJ. A bit of a shame on Mr. GJ. So if the previous candle has a large wick, you don't need a retest on the break. You get in on the impulse. If it has a large wick and flips, then yeah, that's just my signature move. My signature move. It's coming up over here. As long as it closes above 1855, this could be a fake out. If it doesn't, though, however, this would be quite interesting. What about retesting gold? I think you guys need to chill out on gold. There's nothing really you can take. You can either got that sell here, and now you have to wait for this closure because it's going to tell you a lot. This 20-minute, this 30-minute candle, coming up, made the top wick to then flip and continue down. Or if the candle closes bullish over here and comes back up in the zone, then it is a fake out. Yeah. So, I'm new to the channel. Great work. Just curious, what do you refer to as a flip when the candle changes from this color to red? So right at this point here. Oh shit! Why is that mouse so fucking shy today? Yeah. Here. So, I haven't really tried smart money concept. Ah, yes, smart money concepts. Yes, my favorite. Yeah, look at this. I mean, so identifying that shit is the way to be. Okay, look at the price action. No me gusta, no me gusta, no me gusta. You chill. 4 hour coming bullish now. Nice. Your TV, it's lagging too. My TV is it?
Trading view.
Oh, trading view. Doesn't. Is it? don't think so. Oh, look, GU's done it. GU's done it over here. So if you guys did listen to me, and you enter this trade on the flip of the hourly, stop loss below. 1 second. It should be continuing over here now. Up about 4 or 5 pips should continue. How would you manage risk? Looking at the 5 minute, probably exceeding 835. You take off half. Max, do you ever use smart money concepts? Nope. I use dumb money concepts. Damn, you're Spanish, bro. Yeah, man. Look at me. I'm Spanish. So, coming around here, guys, now. Look at the hourly. So, this is delicious, man. This is very, very good. If this was GJ, I would have been balls deep in this trade. But, yeah. So, up about 6 pips now. Now, I would make it a risk-free trade. You shouldn't come back down to the fill now. You should continue bullish. So if anyone took that trade, please tell me if you did.
Oh, do you ever ask what smart money concept is?
Huh?
Yeah, Maxi, I'm in on it.
Good lad, beautiful. It should continue now. What, Ibs?
I said, do you ever ask what this smart money concept is? What everyone keeps going on about?
No. People keep on asking me about it. I just don't need to know about it. So a little minor resistance here. Hopefully with prices should just continue bullish here. But it's a break-even trade now, so whatever you take here, beautiful. It should continue to these highs though. Obviously close them at 10 pips because your stop was 10 pips. That was a really nice stop loss for the hourly though. Like damn. And if it's a break-even trade, tough shit as well. It's exactly the same as the order block. Ah, okay. Here we go. Who said isn't this? Is Benny in this? I don't know why I'm not able to trade GO on my trade account. Ah, fuck. And love
I wasn't even
well.
looking at it until you said it, and then I seen it. I was like, oh yeah, that actually looks pretty sick. I'll jump in.
Yeah, beautiful. There you go. Nearly hitting 10 pips over here. So beautiful. Can you look at GJ in the 50-minute? GJ did a large wick for buys a couple candles back. Is that a good example for an impulse buy on the next candle? What, for a buy? No, there's no impulse buys at GJ. It's in a zone. Look at it. It's in a zone. You wait for a break above 800 level, and then you can take trades. Yeah, GJ also coming up. So there we go. There's your 10 pips over here, 12 pips. Continuing, you got a beautiful trade over here. It should continue to fill this range up. Take some profits though. Don't make your trade go into negative. So congrats to the people who took the GU. If I win on GU, we are going for a pint. I told you, man. I just don't trade GU because I don't really know how it moves. But I said if that's like GJ and it's got good price action, which looks like it does, that's a very, very easy trade. So you see the flip of the candle, you get no drawdown. Look. No drawdown. Just straight into profits. That's the trade you want to look for. So let's just update on our OBS over here because I definitely called that. I didn't take it, but I called it. GU buy plus GU buy. Nice. So congrats to everyone who took that. Beautiful. Added a position on GU when you called it. TP about to be smacked. There you go, my boy. Don't play with me. I'm liking you guys listening to me though. I don't you know.
I'm at 9 pips. I'm just waiting to hit that 10.
Yeah, boy. Hopefully you can hit that 10 for you right about now. Come on. Get that push. Get that push up. Look at the 5 minutes. Yeah. Next candle closing, it needs to make it lower.
It's risk free anyway. I got stops to break even, so
nice.
It's no issue.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to close now, it's the end of the 15. The 15 will make the lower wick, so 9 pips is good enough. But yeah, should continue bullish. I don't know how the wicks work on GU. This is why I don't really trade it.
Good advice, bro. I took the 9 pips.
Beautiful. There we go. Should continue. Yeah. Wicked. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Congrats everyone that took that trade. Nice. 10 pips hit. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Took the GU trade. Wow, a lot of you guys took the GU trade. If I win on GU, we're going for a pint. We are the Geordies. Wait, are you the guy who lives in Jesmond? I added a picture of GU. Wow, so you guys listen to me. I'm liking that. Why my stop loss hit? Let's take a look at some guys' stop loss. Why it hit. Let's take a look over here. So there we go. Keep it simple, guys. Keep it easy. You should fill the zone up here. Another 8 pips time. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm taking a look with your trade over here now. Some guy says, what's wrong with my trade? So let's take a look over here. Is this a trade you just took now? Took buy and got stopped out. So, a lot of different things wrong, okay? So it did get a closure above, but what is the first trend? Well, the first trend I can see to here is it's bearish. One sec, let's get the white line. Okay.
Yeah, it's clear.
It's pretty bearish, isn't it? So for me, it was probably better to wait for buys above this kind of zone to go back and to fill it up above. Another thing, look at the pair you're trading. What am I gonna say? Someone in Zoom, tell me what am I gonna say? Why should you not be trading that pair right now?
Both pairs close.
Yes. Both pairs are closed, okay? There's no movement in London because Canada's closed yet. It opens later on. The Japanese is closing, so there's no volume, and this is why look, you didn't get a push. It's very, very low volume. Look for the candles when you're looking at a pair. You need to look for where candles are the greatest. So look, volume here, volume here, volume here. This time here, range. So yeah, always look for where there's highest volume. But yeah, it was mainly just the structure, and also you entered on a candle with very, very small body. Can you see? The small bodies show resistance. Okay, you need clean closures, solid closures. So yeah, CAD is booty. Yeah, try and keep on GJ when we're in the London session. Will we be taking buys above 152.830 as the daily and 4 hour will be with us, or will you wait for the closure above 153? Potentially 152.820. Potentially, if I get a nice closure, better than these ones. Potentially. I had to try to trade with the smart money because it didn't work out for me. Since I'm on stream, I learned much more than smart money concepts. Yes, Irvin, good lad. That's what I like. So 11 minutes time for a 30 closure or a 15. That's what I'm going to wait for. I'm not taking impulses here. If this wants to run off, then I'll take buys above 980. I'm not bothered. I don't care. If you guys have, chilled over here, make sure to like and subscribe. If you took that GU trade as well and you listened to me, congrats. Oh shit, nice. So TP2 over here gonna be hit. So also Aussie closure as well. Very, very true. So there we go. That was a beautiful trade in GU, not gonna lie. Damn. Clean candles to the left. Broken down to the T. As long as you exceed and flip the hourly with the stop loss below. The hourly stop loss was delicious. 10 pip stop for a 20 pip gain, just like I said. There you go. So if you risked 1.4% there, you made 2.8%. If smart money is so good, why are they all here to learn from you? Where would your TPs here for buy? On GU, Alex? GJ, okay. So first TP will obviously be 10 pips right around these highs, and then TP2 potentially at 990, and then TP3s will look. Where could I put TP3? I can see a zone. Look, where did it have resistance before? Well, this is resistance here, right around 125, and then TP4 could be over here. So I'm always looking at where resistances are because these are next zones to fill. And there we go. Takes 10 seconds to look at the zones. 99 likes, amazing guys. Thanks for the trade. Don't you worry about that. So yeah, I mean, if it does want to run off here, that's fine. I kind of want it to relax over here, make the low wick, and then continue. But we'll see if we can do that over here. Oh, gold rejecting. Ooh. It's going to be hourly closure in 9 minutes time, so be careful about the closures over here. If you're trying to enter trades, potentially maybe wait until the hourly, because the hourly has to make a bottom wick, yeah? Hourlies make big bottom wicks, so this candle should hopefully come down over here and make a bottom wick. Oh shit, it shouldn't be black over here. There we go. Make a bottom wick. And then when we start flipping, boom! That's the way I'm going to enter. So yeah, That's where I'm gonna enter over here, guys. 101 likes, beautiful for a lovely Osborne's tonight. My girlfriend's coming around tonight. I can't, but for sure. Wait, what places do you like going out in? What places do you like going out in town? Because I'll probably know them, because I probably work with them still. Don't work with them, but I get it. I get in and have some good fun behind the decks. Waiting for a break that GJ Cannon retest, enter in the buy. Yeah, beautiful. See why my chart I was only looking for buys. I'm hoping we get the closure above. Hopefully. Thank you very much, Francisco, for subscribing. We're growing. We're nearly hitting, like, how many subscribers are we on now? I said I want to hit 1,200 by Christmas. Let's take a look over here. House of Smiths. Ah, back in the day. Back in the day. I used to work at House of Smiths on the door. Oh, shit. GJ's flying. Holy shit. GJ's flying. 1,656. Sheesh. Let's try and get that to 1,700 today. Oh my god, your GU trades are rocketing. Now it's mainly Tokyo and revs to Cuba. Yeah, I like Tokyo. Tokyo's good vibes.
I closed 80% on GU.
Beautiful.
So it's got those runners
Nice.
coming in nice and fresh.
Nice. Yeah, I think
Thank you for the tips, Maxi.
No bother. I think, yeah, maybe 260, 270 would be nice. Yeah, beautiful. Nice. Yeah. We can get in the next zone on GJ. Yep. Yep. I'm going to wait over here, wait for the closure. All I'm doing is kind of measuring, see how the zone is. So, yeah, 8 pips here is not enough. I'm going to have to wait for... If we close like 850 level, good. If we close above over here at 980, then I'll wait until there as well. Yeah, we'll take a look at that. Looks like it is rejecting these lows though over here, so interessante. Took buys in GJ 750, nice. So right around here. Delicious. Can you see GU coming back down? No. Why? Are you in a sell by any chance? Should be continuing to fill up the zone over here. Looking at the 4 hour, let's see. 4 hour very, very bullish. The daily, very bullish. So looking good. Anyone else have problem with Google and YouTube? Is it your Wi-Fi, my man? So in 6 minutes time, if this GU closes above, it should continue over here. As long as it makes the low wick of the hourly. I'll scratch that idea. I'll wait for 153. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. It's looking good though. Look at the 15 minute. Yeah, this is alright. And then the hourly is closing. As long as we make the low wick and then start flipping it, I may potentially take it anyway. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Looks like news. Let's take a look and see if any news has came out. Nothing much really. Nothing much really. 5 minutes left of this closure. Hopefully we can get it soon. Always thinking of what I want to see. I want to see the lower, tap into this zone, flip, reject it, and then boom. If I can get in early and then have my stop loss to break even right around the zone, then I might do that. We'll have to see. 161 people in the stream. Amazing, guys. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed, make sure to do so. We're here every single morning doing proper good trades. Yep, selling from 1.355564. Ah, okay. So you're in a long-term sell on GU, okay? 1.355. Thing is though, like, there's no point in just holding the trade on for ages. Like, look at the 4 hour here. I would have closed it like right here. You made a good amount of money. There's no point in swinging a trade and not taking it off. There's absolutely no point. We can scale in as we. Yeah, Twitter's saying Google is down. Oh god. Oh god, no. Yeah, so getting a nice strong closure over here. Nice. The only issue I have is this wicks. I'll have to see. I want to see this hourly. It's just coming back into the zone again. I'm like, oh, please. Like, for the love of God, can you please fuck out of the zone? Though we are coming up to a low volume time after 9. That is very, very true. So 8 o'clock started right around here. How far have we moved at 8 o'clock? So we've only moved 30 pips, if that. It's been quite volatile here. For 3 minutes time getting a closure above the zone 820, which is good. Thanks, Max. I'm done for the day. Happy weekend. Happy weekend. Have a great weekend. See you next week. Why are you not concerned with the wicks to the left on GJ? Because it's like London Open, not too bad. And as long as you get the closure above here, we should continue up. But I'm not saying I'll take a trade. I'm just going to see what happens. Oh, well, I'm waiting for NY as usual. Usually see you guys next week. Have a nice weekend, everyone. You too, you too. Yeah, hopefully London can sort shit out next week. Not even London, just GJ in general. Just very, very choppy. Look at this. This has been our whole week. Oh, come on. Fucking shit. I want some nice moves, man. I want the moves before, like here. Oh, they're delicious. Buys above were looking tasty. Sells. Nice. And then we get this garbage. Did anyone else take that GU trade? Did Finn take that with you? Let's see where it is now. So Love Candle's got that. Did Jay get it? Tasty, tasty that was. Max, I have to say thank you because I'm so sure you have given me what was missing in my trading. And now I have take 7 trades this month and I have not taken any losses. Wow, amazing. 7 trades, see? It's not even that loads of trades as well. You keep it consistent. That's what you gotta do, man. So a minute 33 time getting a closure. Nice. 172 people in the chat over here. So we were looking for sells below these zones, but unfortunately we couldn't come to them. It was nearly closing below 580, but couldn't close. So it's all about it. If it could close or couldn't, it didn't do it. So therefore, no trade. Your GA idea. So closure above makes the low wick and continue. Looks good, yeah. I mean, it is still in this rangey though. I mean, but that's like what that's kind of like GJ as well, isn't it? But looking good. The 4 hour you got with you, you got the closure above this 1.83500. Yeah, looking good as long as you make the lower wicking to continue. And if there's enough range from there to there, then yeah, should be pretty good. Got another subscriber over here. Thank you, Candin, for subscribing. Beautiful. Yes, respecting this resistance over here, and GJ is closing in 30 seconds time. Kind of closing weak over here again. My God. Screen was lagging. Yeah, I saw. It's good now. It's good now. Max your stream over Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi, there is a bit latency. It is Ethernet. It's only lagging behind a little bit, to be honest. Ooh, another subscriber. Thank you, Ivan, for subscribing. Damn, a lot of subscribers today. Sheesh. So we've got the closure over here. I don't really like these wicks, I'm not going to lie. The wicks are already in the zone quite high. It should have continued to the next zone. And look at the 5 minutes. So I'm going to be waiting patiently. This hourly, potentially making a lower wick and then continuing, but I'm only going to wait until you make a nice 10 pip lower wick and then the flip. Because what I want it to do is I want it to reject this zone here to then continue and fill this zone up. If it runs off now, that's fine. I want a bit of a more bigger lower wick because I'm still a bit cautious about this zone, I'm not going to lie. And it's coming back into this shitty zone over here. Another subscriber. Thank you, Jan, for subscribing. So yeah, still 59 minutes left of the hourly. A lot of time. It should be making the low wick. I want to see how it kind of rejects the lows over here, and then potentially, if it does flip up, we could continue. But I want a nice low wick over here. Not the only one having problems. Yeah, it could be actually just Google having little problems over here. 5 minute over here. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see how far this pushes down. Potentially 864 could be nice because that'll be exceeding this kind of like 5 minute resistance it made. I like the hourly closure. The 4 hours with us, the daily is with us. I just want to see how far this can push down. If it pushes down here and then starts retracing, then it could be quite good. It could be quite good. And if it flips here, then I might just leave it. I'm not going to lie. I don't really like the price action on it. I only want to be able to see if we're rejecting this zone quite harsh. If this comes up over here, I'm going to leave it. 5 minute coming up though now. Nice. Should be continuing to fill the range up. But for me, where would my stop loss be? Here, 13 pips. It's just not good enough. I want to wait. Thank you, James.
That next one looks a lot cleaner
You can
anyway.
keep the stops in
Yeah.
the middle of the range as well. What do you think about that?
Stops in the middle of the range, like here. Yeah, nah, I don't think it's.
yeah.
I don't think it's worth. I think when the low wick comes, and then potentially with the volume to push up, if we do make the low wick here. But at the moment, that low wick on this hourly is way too small. I want a bigger wick. And yeah, it's definitely a lot cleaner above over here. Very, very true. I'll give it 15 more minutes to make this low wick, and we'll see. Wow, we've got a load of subscribers just coming in over there. That's mad. A load of subscribers. 1,662 subscribers. Damn! Juicy celery on XAU.
Get that ad revenue money.
Yeah, boy. Oh shit! Look a gold over here. Did say we were rejecting. Damn. So exceeding these lows. Let's look on the hourly. Nice. Let's look at the 15. 15 exceeding this low over here with a 20 pip stop. That was pretty nice. Took gold sells. Looks good. Looks good. Coming down over here. We should fill up this zone, but don't be greedy. Take your profits. I think. Nice. That was a nice salary play. Fuck's sake. Why am I looking at bloody GJ? Keep on missing gold trades because I'm finally on with GJ in this bloody range. So looking good to continue down. Look at the hourly. 56 minutes left though. So remember to take your profits for sure. No point having a trade on and having a break-even trade when you're in, 25, 27 pips profit. One thing I hate is entering a trade so early in the hourly. That's true. Potentially. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute rejecting. That was a nice little push in the hourly. Yeah, if you enter trades in the hourly, I always wait. I always either get in at break even pretty quickly and just expect price to continue. If it doesn't, then tough shit. So 4 hours is still bullish. Nice. Come down a bit more. Come on, boy. Get to like 760 here, and then I've got a 10 pip stop when we flip it. See that high. I have a feeling we will close back in the range in the 4 hour closing below 800. Then it's a tricky area all week. Yeah. 30 minutes still valid though, closed above, so it is just making the lower wick, so I still think it's valid. Right around this time I will potentially look for a buy stop soon. Because the hourly now has made the lower wick to continue bullish. I think if we do exceed right around 860 to continue, it's got a nice 13 pip zone potentially to continue. So if I had a buy stop here, my stop loss is going to be 8 pips at the moment. We're flipping the hourly to continue. When we get to these wicks, stop loss to break even. I think it's still valid. We'll see how far this pushes down, because if this pushes down all the way, then that's fine, But if we start to reject it and start flipping up, we're really rejecting our zone. So this is a trade that I'm happy with taking. So let's take a look over here. Let's get my things put up. Okay, wicked. Get this off of here. So coming down over here, nice. So making the lower wick right around this time, and we'll see if it starts to flip up. 1 second, let me just write this thing, and then it could be Gucci. Because this is, as I say, the hourly just making the top wick to then potentially continue bullish to fly. Do 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 do. 120. If you do break these highs, you're coming up to 300. Nice. So on my IC markets, it's actually above over here. Yeah, it's like 868. GG on the flip or break at the current high. I'm gonna do it not on the flip because you can see before we did that on the flip, and we've only got a nice 10 pip stop anyway. I don't really need to get it on the flip. I can get in it when we exceed this 5 minute. You can see there's resistance here, and like above this wick, I kind of want to get past these wicks. So this wick here, just to give me that extra confirmation. And the stop loss anyway is only 10 pips. I'm not really too asked about that. Update your trades taken. No, because I haven't taken any trades. GJ must go down. I hope it goes down for you, my man. 21 minutes left of the 30 now, looking good. Took that serial play on gold, done for the day. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Oh, sheesh, I'm a mod. Sure, sure. So actually, I might get on then exceeding the high now, 5.8, because that's where the stop loss is for 10 pips. And we'll see. So this is what I'm liking about it. The price is coming into the zone. It's seeing if it likes it. If it then starts to flip it, exceed, and get out of the zone, then it is rejecting the zone and should come to fill the next zone and then to continue bullish further on. 4 hours looking good as well. So yeah, we've got 4 hour and the daily with us. So I think it could be decent. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Right, let's take a look. What time frame do you use to mark your zones? 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame because it's the lowest one, and sometimes you can't see the support on the 30, and there's one on the 15. So, thank you, Candy, for subscribing. Yeah, I always use the 15 because, well, most of the time anyway. What number is your buy stop? 152.858. Sorry, 152.861. That's what it's at on my IC markets. But it looks like it's coming down over here. Still the hourly lower wick though, which is nice. It's looking quite meaty, this lower wick now. It's what I want. If it comes to probably, you know, anything lower like 710, then it's a bit too big for me, I think. Max, if this 15 closes back in the range, fake out might be a good option. Thoughts? Yes. So in 4 minutes time, if this candle doesn't close above like 813, then yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Potential sells? Nah, I'm not taking sells only below 581. 581. I still think the hourly closing above is nice. I think it's all about the 30-minute time frame over here, just making this lower wick. And then potentially flipping and continuing. Oh. But yeah, good analysis there. After 15-minute closes back in the zone, we're rejecting it, and I will delete the buy stops. That's the beauty about buy stops. You're not in them yet, so you can really analyze it. Thank you, Martin, for subscribing. Beautiful. 118 likes, guys, today. Can't wait until we can show you guys some amazing trades that people have just joined. Gold win. People take these gold sells. Damn. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Pretty good. If you guys are on Instagram as well, make sure to tag me in your posts, so like if you being on the stream. I really like that. So look what's happening now, guys. Oof, this is looking good. Look at the 5 minutes starting to come up now. Look at the 30 starting to come up. Nice. Beautiful. Should continue bullish. So 2 minutes 42 seconds left for the closure. I think I'm going to be closing my buy stops over here for the fact that it isn't closing above, and it's faking out really. So delete the buy stops over here. And this is the power of a buy stop. If it wants to flick up and start to push, I'm in, and if it doesn't, then it's a fake out and I don't get faked out. So waiting for the lower wick is key. And there we go, we're off. So I mean, what time is it now? It is 9:15. What do we normally know? We normally know volume dies down, so there's no point of even looking. I'm gonna wait patiently until we get the sells below here. The buy is now probably above 980 or above this zone, and then I can continue the trading NY session. So have a little break now, chill out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I think let's take a look what time it is. Yeah, 9:15. There's no point now. Price is coming back down into the shitty range. This is the no trade zone for me, as you can see. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it off here. Hopefully next week, guys, will come. There'll be beautiful price action and we can take some nice trades. But this week's been very slow. Still a blue for the week, which is very good considering how shit the week was. So thank you very good. That's very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys do want to join me in NY, join the mentorship. Webinar's coming as well. Oh, was there no giveaway? Oh shit! No, I'll do the giveaway. Fuck it, I'll do the giveaway. Okay, so wait, don't go. I'll do the giveaway. It's all for all people who have commented on my post. I'm gonna pick one post now, and I'm gonna message the guy. So let's take a look over here. I can pick any post from the last 2 weeks. So how much percentage were you up this week? I'm up like 1.8 from that one trade yesterday. NY stream and mentorship today. Yep, I'll see you NY. So let's take a look over here, guys. So the giveaway is on someone who has commented on my post. This is what I said. I said we need to comment on the post over here. So for me, I'm gonna take let's just take a look at all of these over here. So these are all nice. I won't do these like promote ones. These are just fucking bots. For me, I think I'm going to do this one. I think I'm gonna post this one because this one is about YouTube and you guys on YouTube watching me. So I'm going to do a random thing. So how many people have commented over here? Is only wait, what? How many? 22 people. Why can I only see like 10? Wait, oh there. Oh wow, a lot of them are shit over here. 1 second, let's just get rid of these. So you guys can't comment now, by the way. These are I can see that these are the only ones. So anyone who commented on here, get ready. You're gonna have a good probability of winning some magic keys, the online ones. If you guys already have the online ones, then don't you worry about it. So here we go. Beautiful. 1 second. So how many people are in here now? 1 second. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. To be fair, that's my girlfriend, so she doesn't need magic keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. So 1 in 12 chance. 1 in 12 chance. So random number. J get a W. Let's take a look in here. Oh, that's a shit one. Okay, here. So did I say 12? Did I say 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, wicked. From 1 to 12. There we go. 1 second. Wait. Let's start that again. 1 second. So 1 to 12. 3, 2, 1, go. 10. Number 10. Oh, who is that? I think I know who it is. It's Jimbo Football. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is Jimbo Football over here. So if Jimbo is a trader, beautiful stuff. I'll give him a message. I don't think he's on here though, unfortunately. As I said, the next giveaways that are going to be done will be next week on the YouTube live stream, and there'll be people in the chat. I think I'll be doing. Thanks for the London stream, beautiful. Yeah, so I'll message that guy over here, London guy, wicked. Wow. Oh shit, wait, yeah. Oh, there's still more. Oh no, there's not. No, that was it. Nice, beautiful. I was 12. Oh no. No good. So look at this, closing back in the range now. No good. People trading this short down with the 4-hour flip, potentially. Yeah, could be nice. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for coming on. I'll see you guys on the NY session, the private session. Do a 10k giveaway, bro. So yeah, thank you very much, Zoom. I'll see you guys later on. Peace out. See you later.
See you later.
See you later. Thank you very much, YouTube. I'll see you very, very shortly. I'll see you either in the mentorship if you come join, or Monday we'll start a fresh day. Hopefully GJ can get out of this range. So see you later, guys. Peace out.